All right, man, here we are. So this is the Ingram Dam. It's like the hill country's greatest water slide. Look at those dudes. Oh, maybe don't look at those dudes. The free-flowing water has laid down a thick coat of algae and turned an otherwise boring dam into a slip-sliding Guadalupe good time. So I could just go ahead and jump in, which I've done that many times. But in my age, I've learned the wiser rule, which is ask the locals how to do it.
So the main thing is keeping your body centered. Don't lean too far forward and don't lean too far back.
Keep your feet like sideways on the when you're going down.
Bend your knees.
Bend the knees.
Make sure you don't spin.
Oh!
You might fall on your head. You broke his jaw.
I broke my jaw.
Your jaw!
Yes, sir.
I gotta protect this moneymaker, man. I'm not so sure that was helpful, but thanks, guys. Those kids were like 17 years old, man.
And you
I am 38 years old, so I got a few years experience on them, but it's evidently not making me that much wiser. But I'm gonna go anyway, all right? Here it goes.
Try it.
Best to start nice and easy. That was awesome, but I gotta say, sliding down the dam is the easy part. Getting back up the dam is the hard part. That's actually way scarier than going down. I think it's time to try on the feet. What do you think?
Try it.
Yeah, baby.
Go goofy with the hat.
Something, I don't know. I'm just trying to get my confidence up. Does this make me look more confident?
Yeah, it does. Yeah.
All right. Nope. And nope. And a whole bucket of nope. This is a lot harder than it looks, but you know, I'm not gonna complain, because any afternoon spent splashing in the Texas River is a good afternoon. If you liked this video, chances are you're gonna love another video that's somewhere right about here. Or you can visit thedaytripper.com. But above all, what I want you to do most, remember the Alamo. I'll see all y'all out on the road. Bye con Dios, amigos.